Hi, welcome to Vox Markets, live from PDAC 2025. With me is PRISM Diversified CEO, John Merritt. John, you recently received a strategic investment. Could you comment on that for us, please?
Yeah, on the back of some good results from last year on the liberation of the iron out of our ore. We've been working with an engineering firm in Edmonton, and they feel happy to proceed with us. We're going to create a prototype in 2025. And so the investment from Demir Engineering, who are based in Edmonton, is to get us to that point. And then we'll leverage that to move forward to a demo plant in 2026.
Now, how much money did they invest?
It's, confidential, I would say, but it's significant investment for the company that they are. So it's, it's sufficient to get us through the prototype.
And the deposit that your company holds, can you comment on the historical 43-101?
Yeah, so that was completed quite some time ago, 2012. Indicated resources, a big drilling campaign, 550 drill cores, 20,000 meters of drill cores presented. So we have an indicated resource of 189 million tons of iron and 1.1 million tons of vanadium. So that would be, a significant contributor to vanadium. It's moderately small on the iron markets, but with our plan to basically produce low-emission steel at about 3 million tons a year is where we're hearing from other steel makers. About 3 million is the amount we'd want to do, pushing out, so basically steel billets, low-emission steel billets. We're looking at it's more than 2.3 billion tons a year, US. $2.3 million a year.
Is it a near-surface deposit?
Yeah, it's the actual mine site is some of it outcrops, a couple of the rivers that pass through it, but there's probably an average of 3-to-1 overburden, and it's most of the overburden is a bentonite clay, super soft. So yeah, so it's going to be a really easy 30-kilometer long resource by about 3 to 4 kilometers wide,
and open at strike.
It will be, it'll be an open pit and flat. It's a horizontal body. So literally just runs for about, from southeast to northwest. As I said, we'll probably start in the middle, work both ways, have the main, whatever processing we do on site, which will be minimal. It'll be basically direct shipped ore by train down to Edmonton.
And then the other aspect of your company being your metallurgical technology?
Yeah, so this specific ore, it's a polymetallic ore, so at the moment the 43-101 really just covers the iron and vanadium, but we know there are other significant metals in there. And so the key step is getting the iron out, and we're going to do that using reductive chlorination. So there's quite a few supportive developments as well, actually locally to the area, so the production of hydrogen from natural gas in the Edmonton area is key. That will assist with the low emissions story. And actually a byproduct of that production is solid carbon as well. So we'll probably use about 60% of the carbon produced in the hydrogen production, and then we can sell the other 40%. So yeah, that is a big part of the story towards achieving 75% less emissions than the common blast furnace route to create steel.
And you have a strong operational background. How did you manage to get involved with this company to bring those skills to bear?
Yeah, no, I've been in a few sectors. As you say, mostly getting stuff done side of businesses, and lived down in the Rockies. And I've always had, for the last 20 years, not always, for the last 20 years, I've been involved in sort of energy efficiency and the environment, and just seeing the transition that's taking place and will take place in Alberta. Glad to get back involved at a corporate level with something that's got some significant tailwinds, both from economic diversity and energy transition. I see so much potential in Alberta with the capabilities and skill sets and resources we have that, I got involved 3 years ago now. And, we're set up for some success in the next couple of years.
Excellent. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of the convention.
Okay, well, cheers, and you.